If you want to start on YouTube but haven't, this video is for you. And before you click away, I'm not here to motivate you. I'm here to tell you why you're stuck. Most people have an invisible checklist. They won't start until the video sounds right, they know what to say, and they won't look stupid. But here's the problem. That checklist never gets shorter, it gets heavier. And most people don't realize that that's a trap. You're waiting for confidence to show up. But confidence isn't a feeling, it's a receipt. You only get it after you've done the thing. No action, no receipt. The cost of waiting isn't nothing, it's momentum. Every month that you wait, someone worse starts anyways. And 6 months later, they're ahead. And not because they're better, because they moved. If you're stuck, I want you to make 3 bad videos. Not good ones, bad ones. The first video is going to teach you what breaks. The second video is going to teach you what feels wrong. And the third video is going to teach you what doesn't matter. After that, something is going to shift. You're going to stop imagining the audience. You're going to stop rehearsing perfection. And you're going to start thinking in videos, not ideas. That's when permission is going to show up. Not as confidence, but as clarity. So if you're waiting to feel ready, don't. Make the bad video. Permission isn't given, it's earned.